Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So still pretty much in the range. As I said yesterday, we bounced off the range, top came back to the downside. Does look like we've got a little bit of a close above there, but I'm not going to read much into that. Just looking at the oscillator at the moment, it's pretty much staying above the moving averages, which is key for the bulls at the moment. And if you look at the 3 hour, as we said yesterday, probably looking for a pullback down into the middle, and look where that pullback was, 34,577, pretty much exact onto that area, and then we bounced off it. So if we get down to the hour, you'll see just before the market opened, typical is what's been happening for quite some time. You can see every time the market opens we drop. It's been going on for quite a few days. So the market opens, we drop, find support, buy a step in, and we rally. So at the moment we are a little bit above the top of the range, but for me, I'd want to see a pullback onto structure, and there is no real structure basically created yesterday. I think the closest bit of structure, I'm just going to use this level here, is going to be somewhere in this area here, which is 34,820. So if we get back into the range, get back into here, then for a move to the upside. Alternatively, which is the other thing that is happening, we have a diagonal trend line that we need to pay attention to. So that would be the first one, 34,820, and we could get something deeper to 34,660 area. 15 minutes is obviously the way to go again, and you can see here European Open here, bit of a double top, break through the levels, reject it, and then move down to the trend line, pretty much the horizontal level I gave you as well. And that was at it's 4 o'clock, 4, 5, 6 o'clock South African time, so pretty much in the first 3 hours of trading, and we found a base and then the buyer stepped in. So nice structure as well off the level. So as far as I'm concerned, wait for the next pullback. Wait to see if we can hold the top first, which is 34,930. Failing that, then you're looking for this area here, and I just want to make sure that there's no gaps. Doesn't look like there's any gaps to the downside. It looks like a little one here, but on the rest of the bars doesn't look like we have a gap. So that's your next level. You'll be paying attention to 34,820. So pull back into there. You're moving up. If this level gives way, 38,820, then you're looking for the trend line, which should be another area to buy, and then you're looking for another move to the top of the range. So that's kind of my view at the moment. I think we're still very much range bound. Wouldn't pay too much attention to this close, and the reason I say that is I can adjust the range to there, and you can see we're just sort of on it. And you look at the oscillator, so to me there's a pullback coming, and you want to be buying that pullback. Could be a flat top triangle forming, so another 1 or 2 pullbacks before we get the explosive move through this trend line. Anyway, that's kind of my view today. I hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.